Hey, big men and big women. Small men and small women too. Medium men and medium women. Okay, everybody, what's up? It's me, Shembesa the musician. This week we're looking at Okello Max featuring Uwaya. Amezaliwa. Tuingie ndani. Okay, if you haven't noticed from my previous video, I've stopped reviewing album art because I feel like it's subjective and we want to cut down the runtime because most of you guys clock out at the 2.5 minute mark. So tunajaribu ku crop this thing ifike 3 minutes. So let's start with the production. Production in this song is amazing, man. The people who did the production, man, they know music, but this is a musical masterpiece production wise. Every element was good, especially that lead guitar. It was not too much. It was just ilikuwa tu bali yake, size yake. Ilinifanya nisikie vitu bana, iliniguara dho pari pazuri bana. Nakwambia nilisikia ay. I don't know which accent that is, but it's good. Anyway, as I was saying, that's the production elements of this track are good. Everything has been arranged correctly. I feel like there was not too much, and it's just the right amount of ingredients. It's just the right amount of spice. It's just the right amount of sauce. That being said, the mixing and mastering is the next thing. I like how the background vocals have been mixed and mastered into this thing. Everything blends correctly. There's never a point in time I felt like people were out of place. But I have a gripe with Okello Max's vocals in the beginning. They're a bit harsh and a bit teeny. I feel a little bit of EQing or maybe vocal processing will have helped, but it's not annoying. It's not so bad that you're like, hey, but if you're really keen, you have a really keen ear, you're using really good headphones, you'll pick it out. The other thing I want to talk about is Uwaya. Uwaya came through correct, and I like the fact that, okay, we're talking about lyricism now. I like the fact that Uwaya did his thing and he sounded like Uwaya. It wasn't like Okello Max featuring Okello Max or Uwaya featuring Uwaya. It was Okello Max featuring Uwaya. And as much as Okello Max is a powerhouse when it comes to writing and production and singing, I feel like Uwaya also came with his own weight and his own vibe, and you can actually tell the difference and it feels nice. So what do I think of this track? This is an amazing track. I love the lyricism. Everything was nice. Nothing was too deep. Nothing was too rough. It was simple but easy to digest. It was simple and easy to digest, but at the same time complex in a mature way. So this project is a strong 7. The reason I'm giving it a 7 is because hapo kwa mixing and mastering kidogo kulikuwa na kasheshe, but it was quite good. And by 7.5 is not bad for this. I feel like it can be better, but Okello Max, man, is an amazing singer, is an amazing whatever. And this is not a miss. 7.5 is not a miss by all means. Nanyonga this time, nanyonga watu. But as I've said before, I will no longer be reviewing album art. I'll mainly be focusing on the elements of the tracks. So tell me if you like that, and we are thinking of doing 2 videos a week. So if you want us to do 2 videos a week, tuambie pia. And also I keep forgetting, Banter with the Boys, starting April, 2nd week of April, we'll start uploading Banter with the Boys. Anyway, see you next week. Thank you for tuning in.